Hello everyone. This is Nishkash Gupta, the team leader of the Learning Loom, presenting you a problem statement ID SIH25101, which have a statement title of Remote Classroom for Rural Colleges, and our theme is basically based on the smart education, which have a problem statement category of software. This problem statement is given by the government of Rajasthan and proposed by the Directorate of Rajasthan DTE. So, our basically problem statement propose a solution or which is lightweighted, audio first visual classroom platform optimized for low bandwidth and entry level devices, which is fostering the compressed video, recorded lectures, live lectures, interactive quizzes, offline access, and have basically resolved the most important network issue. So let us discuss the detailed explanation of our proposed solution. We have finally found out which kind of a basically propose a solution of the networking issue as the LEO satellites, which is basically based as low Earth orbit satellites, which gives us a bandwidth range of with the low latency 20 to 40 MAS and also work with the solar power, which is in low electricity ranges, and it is affordable. Gives the internet plans in the which can be affordable by any rural family. And after this, we are using lavalier mic and for the environment, which is not much expensive, but basically gives us as a closed room, quiet room, and a stable setup. And we have also free eye-based noise cancellation tools for smooth audio and for the interaction for the rural college students. We are providing them a games, quizzes, quick tests, the points redemption for motivating learners, keep learning fun and interactive of and we are providing also an offline access and scheduling to all the college admin approval and also to the students and educators, and our UI is basically user friendly and simple, which can have not the complex interaction. Will give a simple and basic interface to be connectivity for everyone, and it also gives you financial sustainability and also provide long-term viability without heavy subsides. Uh, for addressing it, it is easy for urban faculties, which gives us the voice-based navigation and minimal UI complexity, accessible interface, blended learning model, no logging loop complexity, and low bandwidth optimization for rural areas. Uniqueness innovation will be like zero hardware dependencies and also works on 2G, 3G, 4G, LTE, but basically it will give you a network ranges in the 2G, 3G areas also, and it is an open source platform, free resources providing settlements, validating students as teachers and motivators. So, which is basically a biggest innovation for me. After this, we are going ahead for the technical approach. Our front end is basically based on the React.js, and for the future perspective, if we are going to develop the mobile app, it will be work on React Native or Flutter because it will be a future concept. And for the backend, we are using Node.js and here is the important database management system. We are using several kinds of and several assessments of the database, not only the firewall, but we also use the AWS clouds for the better engagement and the low connect and the low management of the and the low complexity for everyone for the management and kinds of things. For the communication and streaming, we are using WebRTC with Opus codec, and for the visual content, we are using WebSockets, which will give the slide sync timing perfectly. And for the recording, we are using MP3 plus static slide snapshots. For the content delivery, we are using as the most basic MP3 for the audio, PDF for the slides, MP4 for the low resolution videos. For the interactivity, we are having the quizzes and polls, discussion boards, notices, chat box, and he has, as you can already see on our flow chart, it will give you two types of interactiveness, and like is a faculty bar dashboard and a student dashboard, which have a synchronization, and it can be attached to like faculty dashboard have uploaded the video and it will give to the student interface, like we have also an upload and download button. There will be a many tools and survival options and also gives you the offline access. After this, we have our feasibility. Our feasibility is based upon the many regions, like the technical feasibility, which have the proven technologies, open source tools, standard APIs, choosing tech stack support, fast and cost efficient development. Operation feasibility, like it can be validating to everything. Economic stability, it will be not much more, and it will give you a resistance, and it will give you also the resistivity of that components. And for the legal and regulatory systems, it will provide your data privacy as per the law of DPDP Act 2023. It will fulfill all the protocols and servers to be appropriate by us. And for these potential challenges and risks, we have upcome over all the things like digital literacy, content development, infrastructure limitation. It will minimize that because we don't need the extra infrastructure, and the high quality of efficient infrastructure like financial constraint, which is also be good, and adaptable to all faculty availability for we are using students and many more the free YouTube users for this. And we have various benefits for the rural students, like it will expert instruction, learning gaps, affordable learning, flexible, inclusive, efficient. For urban students, effortless outreach, scalable mentorship, minimal tech burden. For rural institution, no capital investment needed, sustainable growth, and the benefits have they're basically like most projectable and important thing. And here are our research and references, which are going to be the best for us. Thank you so much, everyone. This is the team Learning Loom.